Hello, welcome to Researchers Help. This video is explain about simple segmentation to detect pupil in iris images. So how will happen? So before that, first of all, we see the video. The eye is partially open and closed, so we need to identify the sleep detection. First of all, we have read the audio file for alerting the system and video file. So video reader, it's used for read the video file. First of all, we have assigned the flag variable if eye is closed and frame numbers. So we have read a step by step each and every frame. So this is the command to read the each and every frame in video. So first of all, nothing but the frame is image. So first of all, we taken the image and display the image. Then we have to convert grayscale conversion. So grayscale conversion having two options. One is standard option RGB to gray. Another option is, so it's a standard equation. So the colon comma 1 means is a red region. Colon 2 means green and blue region. So this is the standard rule. Normally this is only written in this RGB to gray function. Then we have doing a sampling, so we need a part of information. We don't need a high resolution image, so we are doing a sampling technique. Then display the figure. Then we need to segment the image. So already you see the image is a black and white format, so we need to identify the region of interest. So technical terms, it's called region of interest. We need that iris region. So we are doing a threshold level assign as 100. Then read each and every pixels. So only we are using two for loops. So if the pixel value greater than threshold value, so we have assign as 0. That means it's a black pixel. Otherwise we have assign as a white pixel. So after completion, we are doing like some morphological operation. So morphological operation mainly to use to remove unwanted region. So when you see like first of all we run up to this. What happened? So this binary image we got like image to bin. So when you check this image figure, I am sure that image is displayed here. So now you almost find this region, iris region. This white color region is iris region, but here so some unwanted region. So we need to remove this unwanted region. So only we are using the morphological operation like erode and dilation. So here, so already we know the morphological operation need a structuring element. So we have using a disk type structuring element with a radius of 4. Then we are doing a erode and dilate operation. When you do this operation, we see that what's the difference. When you apply this, so just see this previous image, we have unwanted region. So this unwanted region is removed. Then what we are doing, so we have identified the image boundaries. So in this we need to identify the image boundary and detection contours. So when you apply display equal to 1, what happened? Yeah, so we have identified each contour. So contour 1, contour 2, contour 3, each and every contour showing in different colors. But what we need these two iris regions. So you see it's like a circular element first. Second, you see it's having some area, some limited area. So we have these two properties. We have identified our pupil region. Okay, so first of all we have using this region properties is one of the best using in MATLAB functions, inbuilt function. So easy to calculate each area, each centroid, major axis length, minor axis length, everything. So we have took this value. After that, in each and every contour, so it's only as a length of p, each and every contour we have measured the area and estimate the perimeter, that means circumference. Then we are using, so the find out the coefficient of circle, that means it's a circle or not. So we know the equation like area by r squared and circumference 2 by r. So easy to calculate this equation. So we need to use this as circularity. This contour is related to circle or not. So then we have verify if it's circle, then we have verify it's obey this because maybe it's having high area. So this area is less. We have to verify that the thing also. So only we have verify both the things. If both the things is fine, then it's detect a contour, final contour. So now it's clearly detect a purple. But what we have missed it, we didn't detect this region. Why? The mainly this area is less, not importantly it's not a perfect circle. So what we do for a sleep detection in this process means when this two circle is missing, so we have considered the person is start to sleep. Otherwise, yeah, person in wake up state. So we have easy to identify. So only you have verify if this flag equal to 1. If condition everything is obey, any condition is obey, we have assign flag equal to 0. Otherwise, if I assign flag equal to 1 and that how many times they have eye close. So we have improved the eye close parameters also. Then that particular time, so that means sequentially more than 5 frames. In sequentially more than 5 frames they are more than 3 times they have eye close means, so we have get the alarm. So sleeping brains and enable the alarm and disclose. So that's the procedures we are doing all the frames. So when you run the code, so for simplicity we have command this display command as 0. Now I have run the code. Just disable breakpoint. So breakpoint is used for identify what's happening is in intermediate states. Just click continue here. So I think I missed breakpoints. Yeah, now you clearly identify. So when the both purple is not detected for sequentially 3 or 4 frames, you have considered is a sleeping conditions. So it's one of the simple process to identify the segment region of sleep detection with a simple concept. So most importantly is that video also very easy to detect. So only it's easy to and possible to detect without any machine learning or any deep learning concept. But it's one of the fastest. We don't need any training sample and working efficiently. Okay, I think you understand everything. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.